Hi everyone, I'm Albert Varki. In this video, I'm gonna show you a game-changing trick that you should use when working with big tables. Let's dive in. Have you ever scrolled down a large table and lost track of what the data represents because you can't see the first row anymore? Or maybe you have scrolled to the right and can't see the first column, making it hard to follow. There's a simple solution for that. You can freeze rows and columns so they always stay visible. Let's see how it works. To freeze the first row, click on the second row, then go to the View tab, choose Freeze Panes and select Freeze Panes again. Now, as you scroll down, the first row stays fixed at the top. To freeze the first column, click on the second column, then go to View, Freeze Panes again. Now, as you scroll to the right, the first column remains visible. And here is my personal favorite. It's a game changer. Choose any cell, everything above it and to the left of it will stay frozen. For example, if I click on cell B2 and then select Freeze Panes, both the first row and the first column will stay in place while the rest of the table scrolls. This is fantastic when working with big tables, and it saves a lot of time. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.